Praise Lord everyone. Today I'm going to tell about my testimony. And the testimony is that I was suffering from cold and coach fever from the since 1 year ago to from this time I was suffering from fever, cold and coach fever, and I ate many medicines but it couldn't react on myself, my health body. But when I prayed 2 minutes, knelt down and prayed, instantly God healed me, and all those medicines couldn't even react on my body. But when I prayed, God healed me. This small testimony I wanted to give you all. May God bless through this testimony.